On the second Friday of the year, the Jordanian and international Catholic community gathered to celebrate Epiphany on the banks of the Jordan River. For the occasion, groups of pilgrims arrived in Jordan and took part in Mass at the Latin church known as Bethany beyond the Jordan, the place where Jesus more than 2,000 years ago was baptized. Heads of the churches, together with many priests and diplomats from the country, as well as international representatives, gathered in one of the most sacred Christian sites in the world. They recalled the sacredness of the baptismal site, which now hosts spiritual celebrations 1 year after the inauguration of the new church, and extended a sincere invitation to pilgrims from all over the world to visit Jordan.
In 2030, Jordan will experience a special Jubilee, that of the 2,000 years since the baptism of Jesus in the Jordan River. A great opportunity to discover this beautiful land.
Since Jesus descended into the waters of the Jordan to be baptized by John, the river has been a place of pilgrimage for Christians from all over the world, and on the banks of this same river, even today, more than 2,000 pilgrims gathered to pray. Before presiding over the Mass, His Excellency Monsignor Iyad Toual, Latin Patriarchal Vicar for Jordan, drew a jar of water from the river. It was blessed and then sprinkled on the faithful as an act of renewal of baptismal promises. Epiphany means manifestation of Christ, and today, as then, He asks us too to manifest love with our lives. Just as the Magi set out on their journey, following the light that shone in the sky, so we too, beloved sons and daughters of the Lord, follow in their footsteps as witnesses of His word. As preparations continue for the anniversary of the baptism of Jesus, the managing director of the Jordan Tourism Board, Ramzi Al-Maita, once again invited pilgrims to discover these places which are still living and relevant today.
Important for all the people of the earth to know this, because it's the message of coexistence and peace and inclusivity in an era that everything is always changing, but we need unity and humanity as well to face these challenges, and Jordan has always been a partnership of the international community.
Jordan and these places are preparing in the best possible way to continue their mission, to invite and welcome pilgrims, so that the message of Christ may continue to live with us and through us.